Hello dressmakers, in this video I'll share with you a simple way to make the lantern sleeves. Grab your fabric and your sewing tools and let's get right into it. Fold your fabric like so on the bias grain at an angle of 45 degrees. I'm going to be cutting the two sleeves at once. So I'm going to be drawing out a starting line just like this, and from this point I'll take the measurements of my sleeve. My sleeve is 23 inches and I'm going to be adding 2 inches. You can go ahead to add 3 inches if you desire, but I'm marking 25 inches right here for my sleeve length, and I'm starting the marking from that starting line I drew up there. So I marked 25 inches all the way across, and I'm going to be connecting those points just like so. I also went ahead to add half an inch hemming allowance right there, and that would be to create the casing for the elastic band that's going to be at the wrist. So up here I'm going to make my armhole curve. I marked 5 inches from that starting line just as you see, and I'm going to be making the curve right now. I'm just going to use a free hand to make this curve just as you see. Then I'm just checking to see that the measurement I have is what will fit into the armhole of the dress. So I have to extend it a little bit so that I can get the correct measurements that I need. Now that I have what I need, I'm just going to connect this point right here to the hem of the sleeve. So I'm just going to connect that with a straight line just like this, just as you see me do, and I'm just going to pin this, then cut. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys. Please subscribe, share this video with your DIY friends, and turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified when I post a new video. Now I have notched the center of the sleeve, and I'm just going to separate the two sleeves. Alright, the sleeves are separated right now, and I'm just going to go ahead to make stitches on the side seam. Now I'm going to grab my elastic band and I'm going to measure what I need. See how comfortable I want it, and I'm just going to cut 2 of these measurements that I have right here. Now I'll go and stitch the side seam, and I'm also going to make the casing for that elastic band right there. Now this is done. This is the side seam, and I've also made the casing for the elastic right here. So I'll just pass my elastic through now. I left a bit of an inch, less than half of an inch, so that's going to serve as the entrance for me to pass my elastic band into this casing. So I'm just going to keep passing in my elastic band. I will secure it with a pin right here so that I do not lose the elastic band along the way. I'm securing it with a pin right now. So I'm just going to keep doing this until I see it on the other side. Now it's here on the other side. I'm just going to slightly pull it out and go ahead and stitch these 2 elastic bands together. Now that it is stitched, here is what it looks like. I'm just going to pull it back into that casing, and see, this is what our sleeve is looking like right now. After this, I will just simply go and attach the sleeve to the armhole of the dress that I am working on right now. So I'll pin side seams together, and I'll also pin the center of the sleeve to the shoulder seam of the dress. You can just pin it all around so that the sewing will be easier for you, and after you are done pinning, you can now go ahead to sew the armhole to the sleeve round just like this. After sewing, I also overlocked, and here's what the sleeve and everything is looking like, all beautiful, all clean. I'll give this a good press, and here is the final look of this sleeve. I hope you find this video helpful. Subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.